Do you have a child that you're worried they're not getting enough iron? My name's Hannah with WTI, and I have a really great kids iron supplement for you to try. This is by Pharmaris, and it is the Safe Plus Liquid Iron Supplement. One thing I love about this is I have a wide variety of kids from 4 to 17, and I love that this covers from infant all the way through 18. So I don't have to have different medicines for each different age group. Another really cool thing about this is the dispenser it has. It makes it so easy to get a really accurate dosage and it doesn't spill. Just make sure you turn the bottle upside down when you're pulling the dispenser, and the dispenser goes backwards. So once you've pulled out to the 2 milliliter, then that's 2 milliliters inside the adapter. I've tried several iron supplements and that is a very hard metallic taste to completely cover. I thought they did really good. You still taste it. It is not candy, it is medicine still. But I thought especially the initial taste to get it down in your kid's mouth is a really good cherry flavor. So if you're looking just to give your kid a little extra iron to prevent a deficiency or supplement if your kid has a deficiency, this supplement is a great one to try out. But that's just my point of view.